Presenting the boAt newly launched Airdopes 800 TWS Earbuds with Dolby Audio, Adaptive EQ by Mini, 40 hours playback, 4 mics with AI-ENx, multi-point connection, Hearables app support. It comes in color options of Interstellar White and Interstellar Blue, Interstellar Black and Interstellar Green. It comes with both surround sound powered by Dolby Audio, dive into groovy beats, noise cancellation driven by artificial intelligence and 4 mics. Surrounding noise, with enhanced audio quality, music becomes all the more enjoyable. And initial and subsequent pairing of these earbuds. It has mall, airport, busy streets, or a crowded workspace and exercise playlist. It comes with whopping 40 hours, up to 100 minutes and charging them for just 5 minutes. It also features clear two-way communication, incoming calls and Bluetooth connectivity. Switch between them effortlessly, leave behind reconnection bows with a seamless multi-point connection. And a toggle.